I recently changed my microphone with a wireless one, the Dembra DV01. There is also the Dembra DV02, which includes an extra transmitter with a microphone for anyone interested. But personally, I didn't need an extra microphone, so I got the DB01. In the box there is a transmitter, this one. It powers on with two AA batteries, has 4 buttons, the on-off button, the select button to choose the band. 30 bands are available, the volume down, volume up button. Also it's a microphone here, put your microphone, and if you wanna put any other audio source, you can put it right there. There is included a lavalier microphone and the cable is 1 meter long. Also is included a clip to clip on the microphone to my shirt and a pop filter. The quality of the microphone is decent and I'm very pleased with the result. Especially at the price of $14, you will be more than happy. I never experienced any connection problems and the connection between the transmitter and the receiver is instant and it happens automatically. I also tried another microphone, the Tasktag SGC598. When I used the other microphone, the audio was much better and deeper, so the limits are only this microphone. I don't have a higher quality microphone to exactly know the limit of the transmitter and the receiver. And I also am not a professional of sound to give you any more advice for that part. The transmitter has a screen and it shows the remaining battery, also the different band frequencies. I use the whole system about 15 times and the battery is fully charged. The receiver, there is a single power on and off button. You have to long press the button to power it on or off. When you turn both the transmitter and the receiver on, they connect automatically. You can verify the connection was successful by a small green LED that turns on. On the receiver module, there is also a dial to control the volume of the output audio. On the top side of the receiver, there is a red LED and turns on when you power the receiver. There are 2 auxiliary ports, one to connect directly to the output source, and in my case, my camera, and another port to live monitor your audio, which I tested and the audio was very clear. There is also included in the box a mount for the transmitter, so you don't need to buy it extra, which is handy to use it with my camera direct. Also in the box are included 3 aux cables and a mic. The first output cable is to connect the receiver to the camera and the second is to connect it to a smartphone. The input cable is to connect the external input audio to the transmitter. So to conclude, I'm very happy with the results. I get a decent sound, especially at this price. The system doesn't have any issues, either cutting off my recordings or connecting issues. The only downside is the batteries, which you have to reuse, but you can also use a rechargeable one, so it's not a big of a deal. That's all I have to say about this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.